Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have a big military plane. Anyway, today we have the 2016 GMC Sierra 1500. This is the SLT trim, 5.3 liter V8, 21,000, wow, only 21,000 miles, 36,995. This one has a Borla exhaust, which does sound absolutely fantastic. Now I'm not sure how far back the exhaust goes, because I see the factory muffler. I think there was secondary mufflers that they got rid of, but so it might be a muffler delete, but not full muffler delete. Wow, I can't talk. Does look absolutely great. It's on some nice 22-inch rims. This looks like a crew cab or a double cab. Z71. The question is, what's this? What is that? I don't know if I should be touching things. I don't know what it is. All your books and manuals. Stay. Wireless charger. That sounds good. All right. Oh, backup camera. Forgot about that for you. There we go. Actually, I'll put it in manual mode so we can descend this hill. I'm also going to put hill descent control on. Watch that. There we go. Now hill descent control is applying brakes for me. I can go ahead and shut that off. I like the system. It definitely helps a lot. I went ahead and I opened up that rear window. Oh yeah, she is loud. You can. All right, I was a bit quiet there because I was really kind of listening to the exhaust myself. But it definitely makes a good difference. There's a good amount of tone to it. It's just overall a very, very good tone from the boiler exhaust. Now, when people trade these in, sometimes they're essentially straight piped. They just have the cats. We can't sell them like that. We have to obviously sell them in fully inspectable condition, meaning if it goes for an inspection, it's obviously going to pass. Actually, we do the inspections in-house anyway. So obviously we have to pass our state inspection. So we can't do cat delete or anything crazy like that. So a lot of times we'll find on some aftermarket exhausts, we'll leave the exhaust tips on there, but everything else is going to be as factory. I don't know if that's the case here because it does sound a little bit louder than factory. Come on. And then when you want to be quiet, it is absolutely pitch quiet. Wow. It is nice and quiet in here. Take it over some snow. Alright, here we go. Onto the ice patch. It just pushed the truck straight through. Come on. There we go. Come on, traction control. Give me some traction. So it obviously works well. I've been testing traction controls today, and this is one of the better ones. And that's in two-wheel drive mode too. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.